We can say that the sorter is the heart of our system because all the picking goods have to go through the sorter, and the next process is quality control and packaging. So without the sorter, the process will be not possible. My name is Kornel Będkowski and I'm the head of the Warehouse Technology Implementation and Development Department here in TME. Transfer Multi-Sorter Electronic is one of the biggest electronic component distributor in Europe. We offer over 1 million of the products and employ 1,500 people here in Poland and in subsidiaries in Europe. Thanks to our two modern logistics centers in Rzeszów and in Łódź, we are able to send few thousand parcels per day all over the world. Before implementing the sorting system, we used to do the order picking, so in each tote we are collecting only one order. Implementing the sorter enables us to change the complete logic of the picking, so now we are doing the batch picking and then using the sorter we sort it per order per customer. So this was a big change because we changed completely the picking process. Products after the picking are going to robotic induction stations or manual induction stations. As you can see behind me, there is 4 robot induction stations. We started with 2 of them. Now we are doing the testing of the 4th one. Depending of the product size and weight, then we decide if it's okay for the robot induction or have to go to the manual induction. The robot induction stations were implemented by the TME. After robot or operator places the product on the tray, then in these black boxes we have the contrast camera. This is the system we use to detect the product on the tray. Because we have 3 small products, we decide to, instead of the sensors, to go with the contrast camera because this is giving us excellent rate of detecting of the product. Then when the tray is arriving to its destination, it's dropped automatically to the chute, and we have 2 types of the chute. One is the manual chute, which is operated by the operator. We use it for the big, long and heavyweight items. For most of the items we are using the automatic chute, which was designed together by the EuroSort and the TME. The totes are circulating on the conveyor loop under the sorter slots. When the order in the chute is ready, the empty tote is stopped, the flap in the chute is opening and all products are dropped to the tote automatically without the need of any manual operation. Then the tote is going to further processing or, for example, for the packaging zone or to consolidate with some other totes for the same order. We chose the EuroSort because we believed that the cross tray sorter was the solution on the market which was best tailored for us. First thing was the design of the tray. It's unable to work with the small and lightweight items as we have, and because the tray is closed from all 4 sides, then the losing of the product during the transport on the sorter is minimal. So the next point is that it's enabled to drop products to both sides of the sorter. So because of this we can save the space on the warehouse, which is really important. And nevertheless, since the cross tray sorter itself, it was the new type of the sorter, but it was largely based on the solutions which EuroSort was using from many years and was proven. So this makes us trust that it will work without a problem. The cooperation with the EuroSort team was very professional and efficient on all the stages, from first business talk through the contract negotiation, implementation, tests and the acceptance. If I have to describe the EuroSort Cross Tray Sorter in 3 words, it will be efficient, reliable, well designed. The efficiency is 8,800 trays per hour, which I think it's really a lot. In case of reliability, we are using it for more than 5 years at the moment, and we didn't have any bigger issues. We first saw the cross tray sorter in LogiMAT 2019 when it was the world premiere of this solution, and then during the summer we were already signing the contract. It was implemented in 2020 and it was the first cross-tray type of the sorter in the world. Our warehouse is really modern. We are trying to automate the most processes as it's possible, and the sorter is really suitable for it. The sorter reached the highest demands in case of the technical requirements, and we are able to work with it without any special problems.